Are you guys a sneakerheads? Do you love to own a premium sneakers and very hyped sneakers? And you guys love to keep those sneakers in this beautiful plastic crates, and it's kind of once upon a time it was a premium crates, but in 2024 we have next generation crates. BearCare has brought their patented automatic LED sneaker crates for you. Now I have got one big package from BearCare. Let's unbox this and let's see how it is. This product will be authenticated by Browdy. Rather waiting more, we're gonna go and unbox this big sneaker crates. Now let's unbox. This company is based in Bengaluru, but as a sneakerhead, you need to own this. This is next generation sneaker crate and a premium, more than a premium segment, I believe. Premium had here these LED crates, and this was very premium when I got it like 8 months or 1 year back now, and I was searching for these crates and these were amazing on the videos. Okay, I was tempted to buy this, very expensive but best. Okay guys, this is how the box looks like inside. Okay guys, this comes with 4 crates inside this big box, and first we get the instruction manual. Initial view of packaging, I loved it. It is as premium as it is. I didn't expect it. Very premium. So I got 4 crates. Thumbs up for packaging. Good job, BearCare. It's looking fabulous. It's quite heavy guys, very heavy. Okay, we have one laminated protective shield on this. Let's unpack this. Okay, now let me talk on the aesthetics of this crate. Okay guys, this is the front door. So we get the branding BearCare, we get light on and off switch, and we have one more door opening switch over here. So we have the front panel, we have branding over here, BearCare, and very good embossed branding over here. And we come to the left profile, it is see-through. If we come behind, we get closed one, and we can access if something happens to the door, you can't open, suddenly you can't open the crate and all. We have a back door hidden inside. If we open this is gonna open. You can access the crate, the back door. Don't tell it to anyone, okay? So in case of an emergency, back door is available for you people. Not only the back door, we get a power adapter also over here, power plug point over here. And we'll go to the next side, the same, the transparent. If you come on the top, we get one connector over here. See, you can see one connecting port point, power point is there. And if we see bottom, we get a connector, okay, through which, this is the connector through which it's gonna lit up other crates when you stack up. So I opened the second box. In this we gonna get the remote and the adapter. If you want to open all the crate at once, you can use this one remote. It will open all the crates at once. We need an adapter, so we get one turtle. Let's stack up. So I just unboxed all the 4 automatic LED sneaker crates. This is how we're gonna stack up all the 4 crates like this. And how to connect? First, we need to get the power supply done. Let's power it up. After connecting, we get a beep. It shows it's connected, and the buttons will get lit up. Let me on the lights first. Ta-da! Guys, this is amazing. If I off it at once, it will off everything. And let me see, for the first time I'm gonna open this door. I don't know how it's gonna open. 3, 2, 1. Let me abracadabra, let it open. Woo! Fabulous. Let me close it. Okay, let me close this. Okay guys, this is the functionality of the remote. Amazing guys. Oh my gosh, this is beautiful. I think Chumeshwari deserves this. Love it. Worth the investment, guys. Now it's going on sale for the 4-pack. It was like 20,000. Now the BearCare is running like some discounts. They are giving it for 18k. So it is coming around one crate 4.5k. If you guys show me a lot of support with this, and I'm gonna give out a coupon code in the future, just like and comment on this video. Okay, I'll make one more video seeing your response, and I'm gonna give out a lot of coupons for you people, so that you'll get a lot of discount from my side and from my YouTube channel. Now let me stack up 4 of my favorite sneakers into the automatic sneaker crates, and I will show you how it performs and how it looks. One of my favorite Air Jordan 1. One of my favorite sneakers, PUMA MB03 BU version. This looks sick. Damn, this is amazing. If you guys love this video, if you love this product, just please like, share and subscribe, so that I'm gonna bring a lot of these kind of content for you people. Let's catch up with another video. Till then, bye bye, take care, lots of love, signing out, your Brody.